What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about HSBC credit cards cash advance. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung interest rates, kung magkano nga ba yung ipapatong sa statement of account ninyo every month sa kinash advance ninyo. Kasi cash advance siya, it comes with interest rate per month. At saka yung cash advance PIN, paano nga ba kayo magkaroon nun? Kasi before kayo makapag-cash advance sa HSBC credit cards ninyo, kailangan yung cash advance PIN, of course. Pag-uusapan natin kung paano kumuha ng HSBC credit card PIN. At the same time, yung availment fee per transaction, magkano nga ba? At saka yung kung paano mag-cash advance sa HSBC credit card ninyo. And of course, yung important reminders in using HSBC cash advance. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, HSBC credit card in the Philippines can withdraw cash via ATMs, BancNet, Plus, or Zeros using a PIN. So mamaya pag-uusapan natin kung paano magkaroon ng cash advance PIN or itong PIN. Subject to a fee of 200 pesos per transaction. So 200 pesos siya per transaction. Kaya naman make sure na na-finalize ninyo yung kakailanganin yung pera para hindi kayo ulit-ulit sa pagka-cash advance. Cash advances incur a 3% monthly nominal interest rate, 3.04% to 3.05% effective rate from the transaction date until fully paid. So take note lang guys, until fully paid. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung 3.04% to 3.05% na additional doon sa statement of account ninyo. A higher separate cash advance fee of 3% or 500 pesos, whichever is higher, may apply according to older but sometimes more specific bank disclosure. Then yeah, let's talk about key details for HSBC cash advance in the Philippines. Fees is 200 pesos per ATM transaction or 3% of the amount withdrawn. So, nakalagay kasi guys is whichever is higher. So, halimbawa, yung withdraw ninyo is mas mataas yung 3%, so yun yung masusunod. Tapos, 200 pesos kung hindi umabot ng 200 pesos yung 3% ng kinash advance ninyo. Nagets nyo ba? Like for example guys, nag-cash advance kayo ng 30,000. So yung 3% nun is 900 pesos. So ngayon, yun yung masusunod. 900 pesos yung magiging payment. Or di kaya 10,000 pesos, yung 3% nun is 300 pesos. So yung 200 pesos is mababaliwala yun. Tapos magiging 300 pesos yung magiging cash advance fee ninyo. Nagets nyo ba? Tapos kung mas mababa lang sa 200 pesos, yung 3% ng kinash advance ninyo, 200 pesos siya. Ganun yun. Then yung interest is 3% per month, computed daily from the date of withdrawal. Ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng 3% per month? Like for example, nag-cash advance kayo ng 10,000. So yung 3% nun is 300 pesos. Papatong doon sa statement of account ninyo sa HSBC credit card ninyo yung 300 pesos. Tuloy-tuloy yun hanggang sa matapos ninyong bayaran yung 10,000 pesos na yon. Take note lang guys na kahit 500 pesos na lang yung natitira, papatungan pa rin yun ng 3%. Yung 10,000 na buo. Kaya 300 pa rin yung mag-reflect doon sa statement of account ninyo sa HSBC credit card ninyo. Limits. Typically a percentage of your total credit limit. So, minsan guys, depende siya. Nakadepende talaga siya sa credit limit ninyo. Kasi 30% ng credit limit ninyo, yun yung pwede nyong i-cash advance. Like for example, may 200,000 kayong credit limit sa HSBC credit card ninyo. So, yung 30% nun is 60,000 pesos. So, yung magiging cash advance limit ninyo is 60,000 pesos yun. Access. ATM with PIN. If forgotten, call 02-8858-0000. So, kapag balak nyo mag-cash advance using your HSBC credit card, via ATM siya guys. Make sure lang na may cash advance PIN kayo. So, ngayon, let's talk about paano nga ba magkaroon ng HSBC credit card cash advance PIN or paano nga ba kumuha ng HSBC credit card cash advance PIN. To get an HSBC credit card cash advance PIN in the Philippines is call the HSBC hotline at or 0279768000 for a reprint. Or change it via HSBC ATM machines. For new cards, a PIN is typically sent separately or you may be required to call to activate and set it. So, kailangan nyo talaga much better. It's a good way. The best way to do is to call HSBC customer service. May papilian dun kapag tumawag kayo sa 0288588000. Then, kailangan nyo i-enter yung card number ninyo tapos i-click ninyo or i-input ninyo or pipindutin ninyo yung number para sa managing of your HSBC credit card PIN or cash advance PIN. HSBC ATM. Visit any HSBC ATM to manage or set a new PIN. So ito guys, kapag meron na kayong existing cash advance PIN, gusto nyo lang mag-change PIN. Branch visit. If you are unable to use phone banking, visit an HSBC branch. So kung hindi yun gumana lahat, hindi gumana, much better to visit HSBC branch na lang. Alternatives. HSBC Cash Installment Plan. So ngayon guys, meron naman silang HSBC Cash Installment Plan. Iba naman ito sa HSBC Cash Advance. Dito kahit papaano mas maliit yung interest rates. Minsan nagpo-promo minsan umabot lang ng 0.75%, 0.55%, depende siya. Pero yung regular interest rate is 1%. Compared to Cash Advance, 3% yon. Dito is yung regular interest rate niya is 1% lang. Yun nga lang, kailangan mo mag-antay ng certain period of time kasi ipaprocess pa yung application mo. Important reminders. So, no grace period. Interest charges start accruing immediately on the date of the cash advance. So, the moment na nag-cash advance kayo sa HSBC credit card ninyo, automatic yun guys, 3% yung ipapatong on the next billing cycle or statement of account. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo doon kasi wala siyang grace period. Pagka-avail ninyo, nag-withdraw kayo sa machine using your HSBC credit card cash advance PIN, pagka-dispense or pagka-withdraw ninyo, automatic yun. Next billing cycle, magre-reflect na yung 3% kung magkano yung kinash advance ninyo. High cost. Cash advances are expensive and intended for emergencies. Halimbawa, wala kayong cash at saka yun lang talaga yung choice nyo. So, magka-cash advance ka ngayon para sa mas mabilis na access ng funds. Tapos, tatawag lang kayo sa bangko, saka na kayo mag-a-avail. Halimbawa, may pera kayong inaasahan, then bayaran nyo na lang yung kinash advance nyo para hindi na mabigat sa bulsa yung 3% every month. Cash limits. The amount you can withdraw is often less than your total credit limit. Kasi may certain percentage lang guys, yun yung maa-avail ninyo as cash advance. Like for example, kadalasan is 30% yung ina-avail or ino-offer ni banks. Lalong-lalo na, of course, HSBC, 30% lang. Like, for example, may 200,000 na credit limit sa HSBC credit card ninyo. So, 30% lang. Yung 30% ng 200,000 is 60,000 pesos. So, I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!